Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a speed test comparison of two smartphones below the 15,000 price segment. We have the Samsung Galaxy M21 and we also have the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So these two devices priced below 15,000 and we're going to do a speed test comparison to see which is faster here. So in terms of specifications, we have the Exynos 9611 octa-core processor on the the Samsung Galaxy M21, while we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Now let's go to the settings on both the phones. So let's open the about phone. So you can see that both the devices run on Android 10. We have the One UI 2.0 on the Samsung Galaxy M21, while we have the MIUI version 11.0.6 on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So both are running on Android 10. So the difference is the UI and how it performs. So let's see which is able to retain apps and which is able to load apps faster. So we have cleared off all the apps from the background. You can see none of the apps are running, and both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Both are in airplane mode. Now let's get started with the speed test comparison. So first app will be PUBG Mobile. So we'll be opening 16 apps and then we'll see the memory management as well. So let's open PUBG first. So there you go. So let's see which opens PUBG faster. So Redmi Note 9 Pro has taken a lead here. So Redmi Note 9 Pro has opened the PUBG game faster than the M21. Now next is Temple Run. Let's see which opens Temple Run faster. So here again Redmi Note 9 Pro is faster here. So it was much faster than the M21. Now next is the Play Store. So Play Store almost same time. Next Chrome again almost same time, but M21 has a slight edge. Now Facebook, Redmi Note 9 Pro was faster. Twitter, Redmi Note 9 Pro was faster. Instagram, again Redmi Note 9 Pro was faster. Gaana, here again you can see Redmi Note 9 Pro is faster. Now next is Amazon. Here we can see that almost same time, even though Redmi Note 9 Pro did have an advantage. Next is Flipkart. So here it was the M21 which was faster. Now next is File Manager. So File Manager M21 is much faster because we know that the Redmi's File Manager is a bit too slow. Now Settings, almost same time. Now YouTube, again almost same time. Gmail, again almost same time. Camera, again you can see that almost same time. The next is Maps. So Maps was faster on the M21. So that is the speed test, and you can see that more or less apps were faster on the Redmi Note 9 Pro, especially the games were faster, and a lot of apps were faster on the the Redmi Note 9 Pro. But M21 did also have its share of apps. Few apps were faster, especially the File Manager. So that was the speed test. Now let's go to memory management. So we'll open the apps in the reverse order and see which all apps are retained now. So first starting with Maps. So both the devices have retained it. Next is Camera. Again both have retained. Next is Gmail. Retain. YouTube is reloaded on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Next is Settings, both are retained. File Manager, again it's reloaded here. Now Flipkart, again it's reloaded on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Amazon, it's available on the M21, while again it's reloaded on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Next is Gaana, both have retained it. Instagram, again it's reloaded on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Twitter, again reloaded on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Facebook, again reloaded. Chrome, it's reloaded on both the devices. Now next is Play Store, both are available in the memory. Now Temple Run, the games, now both have reloaded Temple Run. So it's neither of the devices have been able to retain the games. Now next final game is the PUBG Mobile. Let's see which is able to retain PUBG Mobile. So there you go. So you can see that both the devices have reloaded PUBG Mobile. So if you look at the memory management, neither of these devices are stellar performers, but here we would say that M21 is better, even though the time taken to fetch the app from the memory on the M21 was a tad slower, but it was able to retain more apps than the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So Redmi Note 9 Pro has this issue of memory management. We have been saying this right from testing the MIUI 11 when we compared with the Realme 6 as well as Poco X2. We mentioned that the memory management is something which is really bad on the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and this actually has an effect here as well. So you can see that the devices out of these two devices, both of them are quite good in terms of app opening. The faster one is definitely the Redmi Note 9 Pro, while in terms of memory management we would give it to the M21. So that is the speed test comparison of the Redmi Note 9 Pro with the Samsung Galaxy M21. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.